Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in Pinterest marketing we look into the terminology, the language that is associated with Pinterest. What kind of language is used, what are the terms that are used as far as Pinterest as a social media platform is concerned. Now here are a few terms and their meanings. Pin, that is actually the basic fundamental feature of Pinterest. If you have certain interest, if you want to post something, you create an image or an infographic or a picture and you pin it on Pinterest. When you actually post it on Pinterest, that is actually called as a pin. Ideas expressed with an image, that is a pin. A board, a topic specific board, that is basically a collection of pins. A collection of pins is basically what a board is. You have certain interest, that particular interest, there are a set of images. Let us say for example, if you are talking about content marketing and there are certain images or pins or content that you want to post, content marketing for website, content marketing for blog, content marketing for landing pages, content marketing for social media marketing. These are all content marketing. That is one single topic, and when you post different images with one single topic, you create a board for them, which is basically a collection of similar content. That is basically a board. Repin, sharing others pins. You pin, there are a lot of pins, lot of images on Pinterest, and when you share the others pin, that is actually a repin. Like, just like a like on other social media platforms, you see something, you watch something, you like it. Comment, giving a message on the pins. Lot of pins are appearing on Pinterest, images appearing, it could be of interest to you. If you like it, if you want to say something, express yourself, you can put across a comment. Follow, subscribing to other pins. There are lot many users and they are posting content. If you like somebody, the kind of content that you are posting, you subscribe to their pins. Subscribing to their pins, basically you are following them. Every single piece of content they publish, it will come to you. Follower, it is the opposite of it. Others are following me. I am on Pinterest, I have either a business account or a individual account. I post content, others see that and they follow me. Every single piece of content that you publish on Pinterest, the others will get it. Feeds, pins generated by other users. When I am following something, I am following somebody, it could be an individual or it could be a business. When they post something, it appears on my page, and that is basically a feed coming from others. Pinner, a user who pins. People who are pinning are pinners. Here we have got some more terminologies. Hashtags, any trend started with a hashtag with this symbol. This is hugely popular, hashtags. Every single thing there is a hashtag. It could be on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. Hashtags is basically you are actually creating a trend. It could be a particular topic, it could be a particular interest. People are using hashtags everywhere. Do not use hashtag just for the heck of it, use it wisely. Trending, a current topic being discussed. It could be any particular topic that is actually posted on Pinterest and you are discussing that, it is a trending topic. Explore, discovering ideas and pins. Discovery is actually a feature that is available on Pinterest where you click on that one, you get a lot of ideas and you can discover those ideas. Notifications, updates and changes happening on Pinterest. Pinterest sends those notifications with regard to the kind of changes, updates or features that are coming from Pinterest. Profile, a user's account, just like any other social media account. Inbox, messages received into Pinterest account, that is an inbox just like any other inbox. Deactivate is an existing account. If you are in Pinterest, you don't want that account, you can deactivate from your profile page. Personalization, settings related to an account. You can personalize your account to suit your own requirement. That can be done through your profile page. Unfollow, removing a user from your following list. There are a lot of people whom you may be following. You don't want to follow somebody, you can unfollow. That is the term used. And some of the language or the lingo that is associated, CC means carbon copy. People when type CC, it means carbon copy. OH, overheard. SMH, shaking my head. TF, thanks for the follow. When you're following, others are following you, you send across a message. TAL, today I learned. TLDR, too long, didn't read. Then TQRP, thanks for the repin. If somebody has shared your pins. CX, it is a correction. MP means modified pin, you pin that you have edited. Fake means as far as I know. This is basically some of the lingo or the language that is associated with Pinterest. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is the various terminologies of words or the language that is used on Pinterest by the different users. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.